What is the scorecard at this point in time? Approximately 2 months before we celebrate the first anniversary of the promulgation of the Constitution. 1, bills already enacted. The Commission for the Implementation of the Constitution Act, the Vetting of Judges and Magistrates Act, and the Judicial Service Commission Act. 2, bills passed by Parliament and awaiting the assent of the President. And I take this opportunity to inform you that these bills are ready for the assent of the President. 3 of the bills are ready for the assent of the President now. You can even assent after this meeting. But 1 will be ready for assent before the end of this week. The bills are the Salaries and Remuneration Bill, the Supreme Court Bill, the Independent Officers Bill, and the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission Bill. 3, bills before Cabinet, the Political Parties Bill, and the Commission for Revenue Allocation Bill. 4, bills more or less finalized and which should be before Cabinet before the end of this month. These are the Kenya Human Rights Commission Bill, the Gender Commission Bill, the Ombudsman Bill, and the National Police Commission Bill. 5, bills which had almost been finalized, but which the Commission for the Implementation of the Constitution has informed us that there could be 1 or 2 issues to be sorted out among the stakeholders before finalization. These are the Election Bill, which is awaiting the final report of the Task Force on Devolution. 2, the Lands Commission Bill. 3, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission Bill. And 4, the Ethics and Leadership Bill. 6, bills whose raw draft, the raw draft is the beginning, whose raw draft is ready. The Public Finance Management Bill, the Controller of Budget Bill, the Ratification of Treaties Bill, and the Prerogative of Mercy Bill. 7, bills currently being drafted by task forces or line ministries. And I mention them here because I know that the task forces and the line ministries are diligently working very hard to finalize these bills. Those which I'm not very sure I will not mention.